Okay guys, this is my pull-up bar. I'm just basically using two 1.5 by 1.5 and in parallel. So I just had a screw right here. And with this one, you could take it out. This is just a little conduit bar. You can put it right here, and then right here would be a low pull-up bar. Just grab, or if you want it to go higher, it's pretty sturdy, right? Oh, it's wiggling. Oh, I gotta fix that. I don't know why it's moving. It shouldn't be moving. You want it to move, you want it to go out, you take this one out, remove it, you put it in here, and go like that. One hand. That's my pull-up bar. This is how I did it. So right here, this is the 2x12. So I'm not screwing anything into the underdeck. I'm just hooking it to it. The beam, nothing screws into the beam. I can take it out anytime. Look at 3 levels. The first one, you can just grab it. The second one, you just also grab it. The third one, you have to jump. And for little kids, they can use the lower one. As they get older, they can use the 2 upper ones. I'm really happy with the result. Give it a try. You might like it.